Building mobile apps with AI. If you see me upload this video yesterday, at the time of this recording, I just finished it, but um, I'm setting this video to kind of just explain more context about what this video is about. So I'm gonna schedule this to be released tomorrow or uploaded tomorrow. So I'm doing zero base. If you've been following, it's kind of like build space, and if you don't know what build space is, basically you get 6 weeks to it's kind of really kind of similar. It's you get 6 weeks to build an idea, and then you meet up in at an IRL event where consider this okay where uh, where you meet the people you were in your cohort, and you pitch to investors, yada yada. I don't really have much intention to pitch to investors, but never know. But Rourke is a really cool tool for you to build um, your ideas. Right? This guy on Twitter made it. I forgot his name. Is it Daniel or something? But you could think of it as like V0 for mobile apps, and it's built with React Native and Expo, so you can build for Android and iOS. And I didn't even see the Android version, but I should see some Android components. Yeah. But what is that? Very weird. But yeah, I'm just using this to brainstorm the UI. I plan on building this with Swift and Swift UI natively, and there's actually a book. This looks just like the UI that I have in a book I have actually. I think it's called Mastering Swift UI. Let's pull that up. Yeah, this book right here. There is a page on building a finance tracking app. So that actually might be what I use to model that after. But I have the UI here. Now I want this to be able to manage your bills, and the AI tell you how to save money. And I'm gonna use Plaid to sync, connect your bank account to the app. Of course, I can't see it, but this is an API to securely do that, and find a way to incorporate AI to kind of just tell you how to manage your expenses and reach your financial goals, teach you about financial literacy and things like that. So I wanted to make a longer video to explain what this is and what I'm building. And there'll be an ugly version, a good enough looking version, but an ugly version of this. And I'm hoping to spend time to, and add these two things in here and put it behind a paywall, because this can get expensive. The last thing I wanted to show is I really like this UI here. It might be in my liked shots. There's a calendar, and it was all over Twitter. Yeah, right here. I am stealing this. I'm going to use this in my app, like the design. I just like being able to put subscriptions, and how this person visually did that. I don't know if it's her design, because I saw someone else do it. Interesting. I'm gonna find it on my bookmarks on Twitter. I have I save a bunch of UI stuff, and this doesn't seem to be. Yeah. All right. But you can kind of see it right here, where you can basically see your subscriptions and things you pay for when bills are coming up. It's kind of like mobiles, but not like mobiles. But the similarities, a lot of similar financial manage finance apps, whatever, I can't say. But this one I'm hoping is going to be a lot better, because you can connect your bank account. You can have AI help you manage your money, and just tell you like, hey, if you got a goal for a flight and you're putting money away, it's like, okay, you're coming up short because you decided to go to Six Flags or something, right? Or you decided to, or your bills that you have coming up, and based on how much you make, is getting in the way of that. So like, if you make bi-weekly or monthly, bi-weekly 2,300, or monthly 5,000 or 6,000, whatever, it would see your spending and be like, hey, you should probably cut down on food, because categorizing all those spending, things like that. It's kind of complicated, but I think I'm going to focus more on just the thing working, and then making it look nice in May when we start polishing. But yeah, I recommend playing with work. It's kind of buggy. It's not perfect. Some people are building some really crazy apps, but I do plan on building Tuki, a uh, an app I have planned for Senegal, with this, and then going in there and doing the React Native myself with you know uh, Supabase or whatever I decide to use. I think that's all, y'all. That's all I want to share. Just give you more context, and you'll get a video explaining more about Mo Money. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah. Oh shoot, my X account Mo. There it is. Mo Money, right over here. I took a screenshot because it was buggy, but that's the app logo. All right, that's all I got for y'all. Expect a an update on this hopefully before the end of the month. So yeah, I don't know why this camera's not working. Yeah, whatever. You know how good I look. You ain't worried about that. Actually, let me see. Interesting. If you have any ideas, recommendations, any apps I can check out, please do let me know. But I'm excited for this one. Yeah, I got it planned out. I just don't know how to incorporate. This will be my first time trying to use these APIs because I use Gemini with the Firebase, and um, first time kind of using Plaid. But I heard the documentation was pretty good for developers, so we'll see what happens. All right, stay tuned.